This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by defining purpose, audience, and length. Zines work best at 8, 5x 11 inches or a custom size that folds into a compact booklet. Decide page count in multiples of 4 so signatures and saddle stitch binding align. Sketch a page map showing cover, table of contents, feature pages, and back cover. Allocate columns and gutters and list images, captions, and type hierarchy. Plan file organization. 1 folder for assets, 1 for fonts, and a naming scheme like 01 cover, 02 spread 1 to avoid confusion when assembling. Open Canva and choose your canvas dimensions, enable a 0, 125-inch bleed, and use pixel-efficient artboards. Place images at 300 dpi and drag them beyond the trim area to ensure safe bleed. Keep all text and critical elements at least 0, 25 inches inside the trim line to avoid accidental cropping. Create a simple grid with margins, align columns, and use 1 display font and 1 body font for hierarchy. Group related elements, lock backgrounds, and label layers so page assembly stays fast and repeatable. When ready, export from Canva as PDF print, enable crop marks and the 0, 125-inch bleed, and choose high-quality rasterization for images. For home printing, use duplex print with short edge binding and test a 4-page signature before committing to a full run. For professional results, send the PDF to a printer, request CMYK conversion if needed, and include crop marks. To assemble, stack printed signatures in order. Fold each sheet carefully, staple or saddle stitch at the spine, then trim edges with a guillotine, leaving the bleed removed for clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.